Here's problem 2 from the 2016 AMC 8. In rectangle ABCD, AB equals 6 and AD equals 8. Point M is the midpoint of AD. What is the area of triangle AMC? The choices are 12, 15, 18, 20, and 24. You can pause here and solve the problem before seeing the solution. Let's set up coordinates. Put A at the origin, 0, 0. Then B is at 6, 0. C is at 6, 8. And D is at 0, 8. So AB, the bottom, has length 6. And AD, the left side, has length 8. M is the midpoint of AD, the left side. Since A is at 0, 0 and D is at 0, 8. M is halfway up at 0, 4. Now shade triangle AMC, with vertices A, M, and C. We'll use the side AM as the base. The base AM runs along the left edge and has length 4. The height is the horizontal distance from C over to that left edge, which is 6. The area of a triangle is 1/2 base times height. That's 1/2 times 4 times 6. Which is 1/2 of 24, equals 12. So the area of triangle AMC is 12. Choice A. The answer is 12.